Hi Nathan, this is Michaela. I just got off the phone with you a bit ago, and as promised, here's just a quick 5-minute video going over how to get some new leads to your website and go over your overall online presence as well. So to start, I do have a background in some digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google primarily looks for 3 separate aspects when ranking different websites on the Google platform. Number one, and probably the most beneficial, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. I do see you have a little bit of content, but typically what we recommend for the homepage is anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words. Now, why do we recommend that? Let's look at an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always your #1 search return. Why is that? It's because it has so much content, right? So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and it finds these content-rich sites and naturally moves them up the rankings. I did notice you are currently on page 1, but I still have some recommendations for how to secure your spots there and keep you more stably in those positions. So I also want to turn your attention to your service page. What we typically recommend is every service you offer have its own web page. Now, why is that important? Because for one, it gives your website a lot more content. We usually recommend about 750 words per page. And the reason in doing so is for every service you offer, you can rank specifically for those separate pages. So anytime someone in Canyon looks up carpet cleaning, they'll be directed directly to your carpet cleaning page, or area rug cleaning in your area. They'll be directed to your area rug cleaning page. And by doing that, you can rank on so many different web searches. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is Ahrefs, and it gives me just a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet. And as you can see, you're not getting any traffic to your website, even though you hold a number or a first page position, and that's primarily because of the amount of keywords you're ranking for. So let's have a look. So you can see that Amarillo dry carpet or different carpet cleaning Amarillo, you start on page 3 and go back from there. Again, most people don't do a search and then dig all the way into back pages for that. They usually like to find services on the first few pages. So even though you are on the first page for a few things, there's several search things that you're not getting ranked for. So definitely getting those good keywords into the content on your webpage is going to help get you found and get some more traffic to your website. Next, I want to give kudos to this right here. So Google loves these two numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. And the closer you get to 30 or above with both of these numbers, it creates a lot of stability. So even though you might be on spot 24 today, tomorrow you might be at spot 30, or you might be bumped back up to 27, or you might go down to 28. There's going to be a lot of movement in your position. So creating stability is what we're going for. So getting these numbers both driven up is going to be key. I don't know if you did this on your own or not, but I'll just go into how we get these numbers typically to go up, okay? So this UR is directly connected to citations. And a citation, if you look here, anytime you do a basic Google search, you're going to get the GMB or the Google map. And these top 3 are going to get the most service. And again, I see you're at the top, which is fantastic. However, that UR number in Google's eyes is not high enough. So I recommend getting more citations. Typically, we usually say as many as you can get is what you're going for. That way you create a larger margin between you and the people who are trying to outrank you, okay? So definitely keep getting those citations and drive that UR number up. And then for the DR, getting some good quality referring domains and backlinks. As you see, you only have 4 domains that are giving you backlinks and 3 do follow, which is great. But Google likes this number to be significantly higher. Again, getting good quality referring domains is really going to drive this number up. So just to recap here, getting a lot more citations to drive this number up and keep that #1 spot. Get some more referring domains and backlinks to drive this number up. Get some more keywords put into your content on your web pages. Create a separate a service page for every service you offer with 750 words plus the keywords you want to rank for. And then on your homepage, we recommend about 1,500 words of content on your homepage so Google sees you as a stable business and you maintain a first page ranking. Well, Nathan, I hope this was good information for you. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or call me. I do look forward to hearing your thoughts about this video. So if you don't mind, send me a quick email and let me know your thoughts, and I will be in touch soon. Bye-bye.